Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. We are dealing with grade 11 General Mathematics, Quarter 2, Measurement and Geometry, MG, about applying temperature conversions in everyday life and practical scenarios. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to explain the relationship between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin temperature scales. Letter B. Convert temperatures accurately between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin in various contexts. C. Apply temperature conversions to solve real-world problems in daily life, science, and business. Letter D. Interpret temperature data in weather reports, recipes, storage instructions, and experiments. Letter E. Analyze the impact of temperature changes on energy efficiency and other practical applications. Introduction to temperature scales. Temperature measures the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. Celsius or degree centigrade used in most countries for daily temperature, cooking, and scientific work. Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit, primarily used in the United States for weather, cooking, and some industrial processes. Kelvin, K, standard unit in science, especially physics and chemistry, where 0 Kelvin represents absolute zero. Number 2, conversion formulas from Celsius to degree Fahrenheit or vice versa. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree centigrade times 9 over 5 plus 32. Degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit minus 32, and then close in a bracket times 5 over 9. And Celsius to Kelvin. Kelvin is equal to degree centigrade plus 273.15. And therefore, degree centigrade is equals to Kelvin minus 273.15 following the mathematics transposition. And then Fahrenheit to Kelvin. So, Kelvin will be equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 over 9 plus 273. And then degree Fahrenheit is equal to Kelvin minus 273.15, close in a bracket, times 9 over 5, and then add 32. Real-world applications. Number 1, recipe adjustment. Oven temperatures are often given in degree Fahrenheit in the United States. Converting to degree centigrade ensures correct baking. For example, 350 degree Fahrenheit, that is equal to 350 minus 32, and then close in a parenthesis times 5 over 9. And that is equivalent to 177 degrees centigrade approximately. Weather reports. Temperature forecasts may need conversions depending on audience location. Example, a 25 degree centigrade forecast in degree Fahrenheit is 25 times 9 over 5 and then add 32. So you will have 77 degree Fahrenheit. Scientific experiments. Precise temperature conversions are crucial in chemistry or biology labs. Example, maintaining a solution at 310 Kelvin. So that will have to be in degrees centigrade. 310 minus 273.15 is equal to 36.85 degrees centigrade. Storage conditions. Food and pharmaceuticals often require temperature-controlled storage. Example, a vaccine is stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Convert to degree Fahrenheit for international shipping guidelines, and that is 35.6 to 46.4 degree Fahrenheit. Energy efficiency. Heating or cooling systems rely on understanding temperature differences in various scales. So example, reducing AC temperature from 78 to 78 degree Fahrenheit to 24 degrees centigrade improves efficiency. Tips for accurate conversion. Always double check the formula used. Keep track of units to avoid mistakes. Round up results only when appropriate for the context. Practice problems. Quarter 2, Measurement and Geometry, Lesson 8, Applying Temperature Conversions in Everyday Life and Practical Scenarios. Number 1. A recipe calls for baking bread at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Convert this temperature to Celsius. So we're given 350 degree Fahrenheit. Required degree centigrade. So solution, use the formula C is equal to 5 over 9 times F minus 32. So, substituting the value of F, which is 350, the final answer is 176.7 degrees centigrade. Number 2, the weather forecast reports a temperature of 28 degrees centigrade. Convert this temperature to Fahrenheit. So we're given 28 degrees centigrade. Required degree Fahrenheit. So solution, use Fahrenheit F is equal to 9 over 5 times the value of the centigrade plus 32. Substitute the given temperature in degree centigrade, which is 28, and the final answer is 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Number 3, a scientific experiment requires a solution to be kept at 310 Kelvin. What is this temperature in Celsius? So given 310 Kelvin, required degree centigrade. So solution, use C is equals to K minus 273. Substitute the given value, so the final answer is 37 degrees centigrade. Number 4, a freezer is set to negative 4 degree Fahrenheit. Convert this temperature to Celsius. So we're given negative 4 degree Fahrenheit. Required degree centigrade. Solution, use the formula centigrade is equals to 5 over 9 times open parenthesis Fahrenheit minus 32 close parenthesis. Substitute now the given data of negative 4, do calculation, and then the final answer is negative 20 degrees centigrade. Number 5, a beverage should be stored at 5 degrees centigrade. Convert this temperature to Fahrenheit. Given 5 degrees centigrade and then required degree Fahrenheit. Solution, use the formula F is equal to 9 over 5 times C plus 32. Substitute the given data, and the final answer is 41 degree Fahrenheit. Number 6, a weather report shows 95 degree Fahrenheit. Convert it to Celsius and Kelvin. So, given 95 degree Fahrenheit and required degree centigrade and Kelvin. So, use the formula C is equals to 5 over 9 and then multiply by F minus 32. And for Kelvin, centigrade plus 273. So first, substitute the given Fahrenheit value. Your answer is 35 degrees centigrade. And then calculate now for the Kelvin value. So your answer is 308 Kelvin. So the final answer is 35 degrees centigrade and 308 Kelvin. Practice problem number 7. A cake recipe from the US requires baking at 400 degree Fahrenheit. Convert this temperature to Celsius. So we're given 400 degree Fahrenheit. Required degree centigrade. So solution, C is equals to 5 over 9 times F minus 32. Substitute now the given Fahrenheit value, calculate the value, and the final answer is 204.4 degrees centigrade. Number 8, the temperature inside a laboratory incubator is 37 degrees centigrade. Convert it to Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So given 37 degrees centigrade, required degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Solution, so substitute in the formula, F is equals to 9 over 5 times degree Fahrenheit plus 32. Substituting the given 37 degrees centigrade, the calculated value in degree Fahrenheit is 98.6. And to get the Kelvin, just simply add the given centigrade data, by 273. So the answer is 310 Kelvin. We will have the next part of our lesson